front, rear, front and rear, home. Ayan, so it's working. Good. Ayan, dumating na yung navigator with camera. So dashcam din siya. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto siya. So meron siyang 2K na video, both front and back. I did not opt for the one na merong pressure monitoring. Nagtitipid tayo eh. So tingnan natin yung live view. Yan. So meron siyang 5 inch yung pinili ko. Masyado kasi malaki pagka 6 or 7. So just opted for the 5 inches. And Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Yan, maganda naman yung mga review. And ito yung seller. Jan Site din yung name niya, Car Electronics. Nakabili na ako dito dati doon para din sa camera nung dashcam din nung kotse namin. And this one is for the motorcycle. So ito na dumating. Na-unbox ko na siya actually. So ito yung unit itself. Yan, so 5 inch na monitor. So meron siyang 4 na cables. Naka-label naman siya. So one is for power. Yan. Camera 1, camera 2, camera 1. Tapos ito yung para sa GPS module, which is nasaan na yun? Somewhere here. Ito, yan. Nawala lang yung screw niya. Wala ng paraan yan. Ito yan. Ito yung kasama niya. So, tapos ito yung mount niya. Yan, naka-ready naman na yung dun sa motor. And then, hindi. Dun sa isang una yan. ito yung camera niya, front and ito yung isang camera. Identical naman yung camera, so you can use either. Tapos, meron siya mga extension na kable. So, if you need the longer one, yan. So, ito. Sorry, saan yung isa? Anyway, ito yung maiksi. ADH2, ADH1. So, apparently, ito siguro yung sa likod. Ito yung sa harap. Ito yung sa harap. Ito yung sa likod. Tapos, may kasama siyang manual. May mga screw. May mga adhesive. I think para yun dito siguro. Yan, para dito. Kung hindi mo kailangan ikabit yung itong mount. Yan. Baka hindi ko gamitin ito. Yan. So madali naman, naka-label naman siya lahat. Tapos ito yung kanyang power supply. Yan. Hello guys. So ito yung ating KTM 790 Adventure R. Meron akong nilagay dati dito na dashcam with camera. Ito pa nga yung camera niya. Ito siya. Yan. Ito yung camera sa harap. Yan. Tapos sa likod naman nandito. Yan. Ito siya. Kita ninyo. Kaya lang nasira yung kanyang head unit. So, yung brand dyan, Navifly. So, kailangan ko palitan. Yan. Mura lang naman, bilis, so okay lang. So, ito yung papalit natin itong brand na Jan Site. Install natin siya ngayon. Medyo tricky lang kasi idadaan natin yung yung kable dito pupunta sa likod. So madali naman kasi ginawa naman natin dati. So ulitin lang natin. Tinanggal natin yung cover dito. Yan, madali naman, may mga tornilyo lang. So yan, so medyo accessible na siya. Isusot lang natin dito. Isusot doon. So sundan lang natin yung ginawa natin and everything will be okay. Testing lang. Hinook up ko siya sa battery at gumagana naman. Makikita nyo doon. So, hindi natin pwedeng i-connect sa battery kasi otherwise lagi siyang naka-on. So, kailangan natin siyang i-connect doon sa ACC, sa accessories. So, we'll be getting power from ACC 2. This is the one. This is the 2. The one is always on. This one is turns on only when you turn the ignition on. So there's already an existing line and we'll just stop. In fact, I will just use the previous line, which is this two here. Alright, yay! Yeah, this one, and this one, this one, and this one. Functional test ulit. Nakabit na natin dun sa ACC 2, I think. 2, right? So, on natin to. Oh, There you go. Yay! For the front camera, I use zip tie and a 3M adhesive right there. You cannot trust adhesive actually because it vibrates, so you need to secure it with zip ties like that. So I have secured it using the adhesive that it came with, double-sided tape there, not adhesive but yeah, adhesive tape, and secure with the 2 screws that also came with it. Very important is that you don't rely on the adhesive alone because I had already experience with that and it got loosed. Then the important is before also I put it here through there and it got pinched and the wire actually got short-circuited, so now I'll pass it underneath through there. Yan, pasok doon and then it'll come out through here. And the next thing I'll do is I'll pass it through here and using the old wire that I have, I'll pull it, tape them together like that and pull from this end like so, and there we go. Yan. The next thing to do is match the terminal to the other lead. So this one is EHD1 goes there, and the other one is for power. Here we go. Yan. I decided to place the GPS module here, and all now are terminated. So just a little tidy up will do. Now let's give it a shot and try. Works. Should work, right? There you go. Yay! And it's not upside down. Hooray! The last thing we need to do is to put the memory card. I hope I'm doing it the right way. Oops. No, it's the other way around. Front, rear, front and rear, home. Yeah, so it's working. Good. Yan, itatry natin yung Apple CarPlay. Dapat mag-connect siya automatically. Nagre-record na siya. Supposed to be mag-connect yan automatic. Yan, yun. Nag-connect na siya. Yan. Yeah. Mabilis. He's really good guy. Good guys. Really good. Try natin yung iba. May Google Map pa siya. Ayun, Google Map. Yan, pwede rin. So, hindi ko na-try yung quality ng camera, hindi ko na-download. Pero overall impression ko, maganda siya. And madali na ma-install, easy to follow. Yung pinaka-challenging lang siguro dito is yung paghanap ng power supply. So, kung maglalagay kayo, dapat doon kayo sa ACC or accessories. And normally mga motor, dalawa yan. Meron siya yung lagi naka-on, lagi saka isa na mag-on lang siya kapag naka-switch on yung ignition. So yeah, this is a goodbye and thank you for watching. Pa-subscribe naman po and like.